It's time once again for The Law and You, featuring the area's premier attorneys. With us today, we have attorneys Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. Great to see you guys.
You know, we're just two hardworking guys looking for a hot meal. Haley, we're ready to We're ready to go.
What's the meal of choice?
I don't know.
Chicken parm for me.
All right, chicken parm. Chicken parm works.
All right, 3 chicken parms. Why not?
Chicken parm. Yeah, chicken parms.
Can't go wrong with that. Well, let's get to the question from our viewer today. This is from Janet in Dunmore. She says, my daughter is 7 years old and has developmental issues. Our new neurologist is saying that they could be from birth trauma. Is there anything that I can do? All right, Ed, what do you think for Janet here?
Absolutely. You know, it's so funny. Greg and I were actually just talking about a similar case before we came over today. We got a call about, you know, this type of case over the weekend. You know, you have until your son or daughter, is it a son or daughter?
Daughter. 7-year-old daughter.
Until your daughter is 18 plus 2 years in order to bring a lawsuit, you know, for her, especially, you know, because she was a minor and there were issues with, you know, with the birth. But you got to get the records. These things are so record dependent. Really get the records so that, you know, we can take a look at them very quickly.
Yeah, and I think with any of these birth trauma cases, don't wait. Pick up the phone, even though the statute does favor a delay of 18 years. Pick up the phone call. Let us take a look at them sooner than later. It's much better, you know, the longer period of time you have to evaluate the case. It'll answer your questions, and, you know, I think it's just, you know, I always tell people, don't rest on your legal rights. Act quickly.
Yeah, I mean, recollections fade, memories fade. You want to get these things into, you know, into the court system as quickly as possible to, you know, get them through. And then the other thing is, I mean, you know, from a financial perspective, you're going to be looking at a lifetime of medical, you know, medical care that's necessary. So you want to get these resolved quickly.
All right, sounds like you can pick up the phone and give these guys a call.
Absolutely.
Sounds like you got a case there. And don't forget, Results Matters with attorneys Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. You can submit your questions at pahomepage.com or call the hotline.